Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily activate the OK Google feature on Android. So activating OK Google and Hey Google is the best way to set timers, send text, and play music without ever touching your screen. So here I'm going to show you the assistant settings walkthrough, how you can return your voice mode so it recognizes only you. And now you can just first open your Google app, and then you can just tap on your profile picture, go to the settings and find a Google Assistant settings in here. And now you can just search the settings of the Hey Google or OK Google and a voice match. Let's just go with this. Okay, this one, Hey Google, you can adjust it in here if your device is supported. As you guys can see, my device is not supported yet, but you can adjust it in here and you can just switch it on. And after that, don't forget to switch it on until it turns blue. You can just follow the prompt to say OK Google, so the AI learn your voice. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.